Oh yeah, they do. Here's the official.
Oh, they were shooting at them, huh?
Oh yeah.
1943. Target practice. AJ interception. Okay, here's a quick overview. Looking from the museum across the highway. Looking due west about now. There's the Evergreen office buildings way down there beyond the hangars. Yes, sir. Somebody said this turned out to be on a par with Arlington, the very first year they've had it here, as far as the number of aircraft and people. I don't know how true that is, but sure a beautiful day in McMinnville, Oregon, for the Northwest Antique Airplane Club's first annual at McMinnville. And of course, it's been going on for probably 40 years or more at Evergreen Airport in Vancouver, Washington. Now we're looking east but north. Okay, we're going to go take a look at this purple PT-17. Sam knows something about this airplane that I don't. So tell us, Sam, what's the deal on this PT-17?
Oh, it belongs to Paul Tulitz. He's a doctor of veterinary medicine up in Portland, and he's a member of the Columbia Aviation Country Club.
Oh yeah.
He's ran across some bad luck a couple of years ago and had a Stearman stolen.
Ooh.
And it's never been returned, but he had a lot of spare parts.
Oh.
And so he's always felt bad about that. And so he, a few years ago, or a year and a half ago, he started restoring this one from his spare parts. And this is the result.
Oh, where do you do it at?
Oregon City.
Oh yeah.
And it's John Pike.
Oh sure, yeah,
it's been under
the Reverend, huh?
The Reverend Pike, and it's been under work for probably.
He's home after another ride, taking everybody for a ride. Well, they got the young lady polishing the prop there in this Lockheed 12A. What a beauty. Well, it's a beautiful day here in McMinnville, but it's time for me to go home.
There goes somebody else home.
Yeah.
Like.
And Sam was going to fly demonstrations today with his yak here, but they boxed him in with these PT-17, so he can't get out now, and so he'll have to do a flyby when he leaves tonight, when it's cooler anyway. And we're going to fade out on the Evergreen Aviation Museum's Ford Tri-Motor. So we'll see you guys next time. Well, we have arrived in Nampa, Idaho. And I got to get off the runway because somebody's going to fly. Anyway, it's a beautiful day, a little bit of wind, a little bit of crosswind. Bernie Bolin and Darren Miller taxiing out for a test flight, I guess, and the engine just quit. And Mike Brewer's here from Astoria. Bill Ensley and Bernie Boland and Darren Miller from the Hillsboro area. And Bob Racer is staticking, and he's entered an expert this time, so he can never go back to sportsman. He's in it for good.
Like an expert?
He's in it for good. Yeah, you're holding it just right. Okay. We're both flying 1.5 strutters, Bob and I. So it's Friday about 4 o'clock. We're all going to have a great... Okay, it's Saturday morning. Bob Racer's going out for a test flight with his brand new 1.5 strutter. Do it. Very nice. Down. Use that rudder. Very nice. Oh, that's good. Oh boy, now you got it down pat. Matley here with his Sopwith 1.5 strutter, right?
That's correct.
And it looks like it's a beautiful job. You got a laser 70, have you, Randy?
Yes.
Looks great. Let's move it out here. We'll do a walk around. And how long have you had it, Randy?
Well, I finished it in March.
So it's practically brand new.
Well, yeah, parts of it are over a year old, but parts of it are new.
This is the Proctor VK kit, is it?
That's right.
A laser 70. What does it weigh?
10 pounds.
Perfect. And this is Claude Tanner's Newport 11, another Proctor kit. He's been flying this for a few years.
Well, I just got mine done. I only flew it the first time Wednesday. Oh, is that right?
And Eugene Job is with us, past national champion, U.S. Scale Masters, with this airplane, Sea Fury. And we got Bob Racer's brand new 1.5 strutters. Had 2 flights on it now. We'll call 2.5 flights. Laser 70. Flies good, just like strutters do.
Are we ready?
And I brought my Proctor 1.5 strutter VK kit, a laser
Thank you
70.
anyway, Wally.
And it flies just as good as the rest, all the other strutters. Okay, Mike Ing is up, first one up today in fun scale with his Corsair. Mike is in the air. Mike's doing his figure 8. Darren Miller, Lancer in fun scale. Nice looking airplane. I understand it's an art. Bill Miller, fun scale. Okay, Darren Miller is bringing his Lancer in for a touch and go. Very nice. Slow flyby with flaps. Darren Miller is down. Lancer, Ray Shellikins, fun scale, Chipmunk. Ernie Minkar, taxiing out for his first flight. And he's off. Ernie is down.
Okay, so I should be certain that should be out there. Yep.
Here comes Bernie with his P. Okay, Bernie Bolden's gonna fly Bill Inslee's P40 in fun scale. Beautiful looking. It flies great too. Mean looking machine, huh?
She's ready, Mr. Hanson. She's ready.
Okay, Bernie, give him hell.
I'll try, sir. Finger in the front.
Gear up. Bernie calls this an observation pass to see if the wings are still on. Hey, Bernie's gonna do a split S. And there you have it. This is a down and dirty flyby for Bernie. Gear up.